Hello, welcome or welcome back if you've been here before. If you've ever tried to engrave straight lines, you know it's a real pest to try and do. So in today's video, we'll look at a couple of tips and tricks that might help you if you have to do that. Now, a lot of the things we engrave don't have straight lines. It could be a flower or a bird or a butterfly. But if you ever have to engrave anything that's man-made, for example, if you're doing an engraving of a building, something like that, you might well have to engrave straight lines. And if you've ever tried to do that, you'll know how difficult it can be. Of course, you can't use a ruler. Any kind of ruler you use, a burr is going to, if you try to run a burr along the edge of it, the burr will just engrave it away. So no chance with a ruler. So what can we do to help us engrave straight lines? There are two methods I tend to use. One works well for short straight lines. Or it can work quite nicely on curved surfaces. And to use that method, what I'll do is I'll take a very small burr, smaller than the width of the final line that I want to use, and I'll carefully engrave my straight line as well as I can. And then I'll go over it with that same burr, and then over it again with a slightly larger burr until I get to the thickness of line that I want to get. What's happening here is that the first burr cuts away some of the glass, and it makes a little track for all of the later burrs to follow. So each time I go over that line, it gets just a little bit straighter than it was before. Now, as I say, this method works well if you've got short straight lines to do. If you're working on a curved surface, it might be one of your better options. Or if you're drawing a line which is straight but doesn't have to be perfect, like the side of a building where there might be stonework involved, then this works well, but it can be a little bit slow. Then there comes the issue of what do you do if you have a longer straight line to engrave? And as we said, you can't really use a ruler. It doesn't matter what sort of ruler you have. Plastic ones, wooden ones, steel ones. A diamond burr will very happily engrave away the edge of your ruler. If you would like it to have something which will help to guide your burr and help you to make straight lines, then what I use is a little guide that I made for myself. It's just an offcut of wood, about 25 millimeters across the way, 10 thick, and I've cut a small rebate, a rabbet, into one edge of it. Now, what that allows me to do is run the shaft of the burr along this edge, which is wide enough to help me register it, to help keep it straight. But because of the rebate cut in at the edge, the burr can actually spin in that little space so that it's not chewing away at the edge, at the straight edge that I'm using. So if I lay that down on top of my line and run the burr along it, it's a great help in making a nice straight line engraving. If you don't want to make yourself a little guide like that, there is a simpler way to do the same thing. If you have a couple of rulers and you stick them together with double-sided tape or something like that, so that the ruler at the top protrudes a little bit, then that creates the space underneath there for the burr to spin in. So you can use that top edge to guide your burr. The only disadvantage of this method is that the edge of the ruler is thinner, so I can't, there's more chance of the burr wobbling a little bit, but still it can be give you quite a good guide for your straight edge. If you have a couple of these older rulers, they would be ideal because they have quite a thick straight edge to them there. But I don't know how old this one is. It must be pre-decimalisation because it's still marked in inches. So those are the methods I tend to use if I have to engrave straight lines. Let's say, for example, what I wanted to do was put a decorative border onto a piece of glass for a picture frame. Something like that, maybe. That could be very hard to do, just using the first method of short straight lines. But using a straight edge and carefully registering the shaft of the bar against the straight edge, I can get a much straighter line with much more even spacing as well between the lines, because this one has a double parallel line. I can get a much better straight line using that fairly simple tool than I can by hand. And once all the lines are in and the little butterflies engraved, it makes quite a pretty little border for a picture frame. So those are the tips, tricks I have for you in engraving straight lines. I hope you'll find those helpful. And if there are any other glass engraving related things you would like me to do a video on, then please just let me know and I'll see what I can do. Thank you for watching.